Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block YouTube channels and hide unwanted comments so your feed and comment sections stay clean and personalized. First of all, open the YouTube app on your phone or go to youtube.com on your browser. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, if you see a video from a channel you don't want to watch, simply tap on the three dots menu next to the video. After that, you will see options like not interested and don't recommend channel. Tapping on this will stop showing videos from the channel in your feed and recommendations. Now, if you want to hide comments from a specific users on your own channel, simply go to their channel page, then tap on the three dots menu at the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on hide user from my channel. This will hide existing and future comments from the user on your videos, keeping your comments section clean and organized. And that's all for today's video. That's how you can block YouTube channels from your feed and hide unwanted comments on your own channel. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.